The thing? Put over here, Mama.
Well, she's fixing. Go ahead, fix it. Is it broke? Oh,
no.
She needs another one. She needs that one.
Give me that.
Okay, pull it out. There you go.
Put over here.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
Hey.
Thank you. Okay, go ahead and fix it now. It's broken. It's broken, so.
Broken.
It's broken? Are you going to fix it?
Dad.
Do you need this one?
No.
Oh, no, okay. What about this one?
This.
Okay, can you fix it with that?
No.
You need a bigger hammer. You need
That's it. Let's go. Let's go put away. Let's go put away.
Break it.
You
broke it.
She said you fix it.
Put over here, Mama.
No.
No, it's time to put away. You go hold the water. Go water the plants. Can you water the plants?
No.
Oh my goodness. Did you fix it? Oh my goodness.
Broken.
It's broken? Well, be sure and fix it now. Ay, ay, ay.
Let's go, Mimi.
No.
No.
Hi, Camila.
We had to get you a toolkit so you can repair things.
Go see the plant yesterday.
Wait a minute. Yes, they went.
Mama.
Can I put away?
No.
Why not?
Because. Say because. Tell Nana because.
At that time. It happened.
What happened? Oh no! Uh-oh.
Look.
Did you, wait a minute, did you fix it? Oh, okay, you want a bigger hammer?
No, don't.
Be careful now, you poke
Maybe
it.
you, no.
You put-
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, it's, yeah. Put away,
Oh,
Mama.
no, no.